Hello and welcome to Driver's Therapy. I am super excited because we're officially going to be kicking off the Multimeter series. Now this is going to be a very comprehensive series. I'm actually going to go as far as call this as a course. So in this course, there's going to be 5 videos. Now real quickly before we dive right into it, if you clicked on this video and you're wanting to get a quick guide, like you're out there working on your car or your house and you really quickly want to just know how to use a multimeter, I made a video of that as well. So go ahead, there's a link in the description or there's a link up here, and go ahead and click on that and that will take you to the quick guide. It's to answer some of the maybe quick questions you have. All right, so without further ado, let's dive right in. So the first thing is, in the Army, I was an avionics technician, and using a multimeter was it was pretty much what I used every day, if not on most occasions when I'm repairing or troubleshooting an aircraft. I worked on OH-58 Kiowas, Apaches, Chinooks, and Blackhawks. And running around, which is what they used to call us, as a wire chaser. And as a wire chaser, the only way you could chase wires is by using your tools. And the multimeter was a great tool. Also, as an AEC master tech, I have used the multimeter on cars like crazy. I mean, this is something that I've used just troubleshooting car issues, electrical issues, or just trying to diagnose certain power issues. And this has just been an amazing tool. So enough about me. I just really quickly want you to know that I have a lot of experience with this. Also, I took the time to educate myself and do further research so we could bring a course that's even deeper, that's even more intricate than your basic introduction or quick guide video. So let's go ahead and dive into our 5 videos and what they're going to entail. So our first video, as you saw, was the introduction, and it's going to be the introduction to the course. The second is going to be settings and operation. Now the second video is going to be really important because we're going to teach you about the multimeter itself, its different settings, and the operations. So it's real quickly, it's just going to be going overview of this multimeter we have. We bought this Fluke multimeter, very entry-level multimeter for the Fluke series. And we're going to talk about its operations, what it could do and such like that. In the third video, we're going to get a little bit more hands-on, and that's going to be a troubleshooting video, which is really exciting because I'm going to teach you how to use the multimeter in a troubleshooting environment. I'm also going to throw in an automotive environment scenario, a house scenario, and also a hypothetical aviation scenario. And we're going to be using the multimeter and demonstrating how those operation settings can help you troubleshoot and use this tool appropriately. The fourth video is going to be advanced troubleshooting, and this is going to be for you guys who've stuck through the video series and you guys really want to learn the next level steps of how to use a multimeter. And it's going to dive deep into some of those gremlins, some of those issues, some smaller components, some of those higher tolerance electrical variances, and we're going to really dive deep in how to use the multimeter in an advanced level. And in the fifth video is going to be kind of a wrap-up. We're going to talk about the care, the brands, and custom leads. And what I mean by custom leads, by the time you get to the 5th video, you will understand that having custom leads and making your own leads is going to be one of those essential things depending on what type of job you have or what type of work you're using the multimeter on. All right, so I'm really excited. Guys, I'm so pumped up. I look forward to reading your comments. I really invite all you guys to follow along with this course because you will learn something. This is going to be awesome, and I'm more than happy to share this and make this video, and I'm really pumped up. All right, we will see you in video 2.